Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your gamer tag on your phone for your Xbox. So this is very simple. If you do have the Xbox app, there doesn't appear to be a way to change it on here. You can edit your profile picture, but not your gamer tag. But it's very simple to get around this. Just go to your web browser, open this up, and you can go to xbox.com now and just type this in, just like this, and then sign in the top right corner. You can see your profile picture, select this, and then go to where it says My Account. Don't go to Microsoft account, go to Xbox profile right here. Now, under this page, we actually get an option to edit our gamer tag. So you can see it right there in the middle, the little crayon symbol, select this, and it says I'm on the Xbox app. So let's select this. And then we have our current gamer tag on the top, and then we can customize our gamer tag on the bottom. Otherwise, you can randomize it right here. So once you fill in a new gamer tag, just go on over to where it says next, and you should be able to update your gamer tag from your phone. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.